Good job. Good. So I don't know what happened, but it was very tight. I guess it almost pain down into my chest. Big deep breath in for me. Good, all the way out. Good. Relax. Good job. Good job. Nice and easy other side. Back been doing good? Yep, back's been good. Awesome. Okay, next one. Right there. Good. Big deep breath in for me again. All the way out. Great job right there. Good. One more. Good. And stomach. Are you working out today?
Just cardio.
Okay, good. All right, let's get this shoulder loosened up here. Big deep breath in for me, all the way out. Good job. Can you trace where that's going to for me, where you notice it?
Yeah. It starts right here, and I can feel it just all the way up through my neck,
Okay.
and then down through my delts into the top of my back line.
Okay, let's actually do that in the back one for me.
The pain is mostly almost in my pec minor, like right at the beginning of my delt and my pec is where, like, it's this, but where I feel it's the most tight is back here, but then I feel the pain more here.
Okay, let's loosen both of those up here today. Relax. Let me know if this is too much. I'm just going to start by loosening up the trap. That it right there? This one might be a little rough, just let me know if it's too much. Okay?
Yeah.
Good. Great. Nice and easy. Excellent job. Nice and easy. Let's bring it down.